How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new episode of 6 Things by Sarthak, and today I present to you 6 Things by Sarthak on Manchester United news, the latest updates and more new developments in the market. So without waiting, let's get into the video straight away. Hello United peeps, are you not bored of the Pogba rumors every time? Well, this will be some news to you then. He's finally set to leave the club, and it could be this window or maybe the next season, definitely, because this has to be the case. Pogba is reportedly the top target of PSG once again, and the League One side is preparing to sell a handful of players to raise the 70 million euros. That would possibly be the transfer that they'll be going to offer the United, or maybe the next season he arrives on free. With just 1 year remaining on his current deal at Old Trafford, Pogba will effectively decide his long-term future over the next few weeks. Of course, that is definitely before the season starts. From now until the end of the summer transfer window, if the negotiations might not come to a mutual agreement between him, club, and of course PSG, Pogba might just see out his contract and leave for a free transfer eventually. And of course, it is reported that Paul Pogba wants to secure that final mega contract of his prime years that might not come in the future if he decides to stay at United, or if he decides to go for some low salary at any club. United are definitely serious in regards to a possible move on Leon Goretzka, as they would like him to replace Paul Pogba if he decides to leave in case. He's a very good player and can play an essential role alongside Bruno Fernandes and can help United climb success. However, Leon Goretzka's camp are very irritated right now by the slow negotiations over a new deal, and some other clubs are also now getting serious about in regards to signing him and of course offering him a better contract. But Man United are trying their hard, as they have submitted a concrete offer for 2022 season that exceeds Bayern's current offer. That is the place where he is currently at. You know, that is the problem exactly. Goretzka will have a plenty of options by the time 2022 season arrives, and of course Bayern might eventually tie him to a new contract if they decide to match the offer by the other clubs. So that automatically in itself is a risk. If United wants to go for Goretzka, they have to push it now. Rafael Varane hopes to complete United move in the coming days, of course. As we discussed in our last video, that Varane's desire to have a Premier League experience is very much on the cards right here. So here we are, as a few things have picked up pace now. United have been in the contact with Real Madrid for over a week now, and reports are suggesting that the French defender would prefer to complete a transfer to United in the coming days and actually fly over directly to Manchester instead of returning to Madrid for their pre-season training camp. Also, keep in mind, Spanish clubs struggled a lot during the pandemic phase, and they definitely won't mind selling at a very good offer if they have for Rafael Varane. This will be a very short update for you all Donny van de Beek fans. Donny van de Beek is ready to snub interest from Italy, Spain and Germany to stay at Manchester United again this summer. The Holland international endured a tough first campaign, as you know, at Old Trafford, and he has been linked with a move away during his transfer window. Clubs in Serie A, La Liga and Bundesliga have all made tentative inquiries, and it is only after the 12 months since he joined Manchester United for 35 million euros. But Van de Beek actually sees his future at Old Trafford, and he wants to stay and definitely fight for his place. So we wish him all the best, and that's all the news for Donny van de Beek. United are actually keeping tabs on some more potential replacements if Paul Pogba decides to leave. This could even mean hijacking a possible Houssem Aouar transfer move to Arsenal if that were ever to happen. So far, he's just a transfer target and only a candidate to replace Paul Pogba. Do you think, United fans, will he be a good fit or no? AC Milan are back again with a fresh approach for Diogo Dalot. Reports from Italy are suggesting that Serie A side are set to make an incredible loan offer with an option to buy for the Portuguese defender at the end of the season. However, it is suggested that United would like around 4-5 million euros initially for the loan only, and then of course an option to buy. United right now are actually trying their best to get whatever money they can get from this deal before the buy option is finally exercised by AC Milan. So I don't know whether it's a good deal or no, because Diogo Dalot is eventually departing from Man United. So that's it for this short video on 6 Things by Sarthak on Manchester United news. Also, please, if you haven't, drop a thumbs up and subscribe if you loved it, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye bye. Peace.